Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. In the Shastra it is said, Janasya moho ayam mameti. This I and my philosophy is illusion. So this illusion means Maya. Maya, if you want to get out of this illusion, Maya, then you have to accept the Krishna's formula. Mame maja prapaddante maya me tan taranti. Everything is there in the Bhagavad-gita for guidance. If we accept the philosophy of Bhagavad-gita as it is, everything is there. Peace is there. Prosperity is there. So that is a fact. Unfortunately, we do not accept it. That is our misfortune. Or we misinterpret it. Krishna says in the Bhagavad-gita, Manmana bhavamad bhakta madhyaji mang namaskuru. Krishna says that you always think of me. Manmana bhavamad bhakta. Become my devotee. Madhyaji, you worship me. Mang namaskuru, and offer obeisances unto me. Is it very difficult task? Here is Krishna's deity. If you think of this deity Radha Krishna, is it very difficult? Manmana. You come into the temple and just as a devotee, offer your respect to the deity, manmana bhavamadha. As far as possible, try to worship the deity, patram pushpam phalam toyam, jomi bhakta prajacchati. Krishna does not want your whole property. Krishna is open to the poorest man for being worshipped. What he is asking? He says, patram pushpam phalam toyam jomi bhakta prajacchati. With devotion, if a person offers me a little leaf, a little fruit, a little water, I accept. Krishna is not hungry, but Krishna wants to make you devotee. That is the main point. Jome bhakta prajacchati. That is the main principle. If you offer Krishna little things, Krishna is not hungry. Krishna is providing food for everyone. Ekajo bahunam vidadhati kaman. But Krishna wants your love, your devotion. Therefore he is begging, little patram pushpam phalam tuyo, manmana bhavamanta. There is no difficulty in understanding Krishna and to accept Krishna consciousness. But we will not do that. That is our disease. Otherwise it is not difficult at all. And as soon as we become devotee of Krishna, we understand the whole situation. Our philosophy, Bhagavad philosophy, is also communism. Because we consider Krishna the Supreme Father. And all living entities, they are all sons of Krishna. So Krishna says that he is the proprietor of all planets, Sarvaloka Maheshwaram. Therefore, whatever there is, either in the sky or in the water or in the land, they are all Krishna's property. And because we are all sons of Krishna, therefore every one of us has the right to use Father's property. But we should not encroach upon others. This is the formula of peace. Ma vidakasya siddhanam ishavaswamidam sattva. Everything belongs to God. You are sons of God. You have got the right to use Father's property, but do not take more than you need. That is punishment. These things are stated in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Stena eva shauchat in Bhagavad-gita. He is a thief. If anyone takes more than he needs, then he is a thief. Jagyatya karmannatra lokayam karma mandana. If for the satisfaction of Krishna, Jagga means Krishna. Krishna's another name is Jaggeshwara. So, you act for Krishna, you take prasad on Krishna, that what we are teaching here, in this temple, we are residing Americans, Indians, Englishmen, Canadians, Africans, different parts of the world. You know that. Not only in this temple, all over the world. Krishna is the supreme enjoyer, and Krishna is the supreme friend of everyone. When you forget this, then we come into this material world and struggle for existence, fight with one another. This is material life. So you cannot get the politicians, diplomats, or the philosophers. They have tried so much, but actually nothing has become fruitful. That's like the United Nations. It was organized after the Second Great War, and they wanted that peacefully we shall settle everything. But there is no such thing. The fighting is going on between Pakistan and India, between Vietnam and America, and this and that. It is not the process. The process is Krishna consciousness. Everyone has to understand this fact that we are not proprietor. Proprietor is Krishna. That's a fact. Just like America. Say 200 years ago, the Americans, the European migrators, they are not proprietor. Somebody was proprietor. Before them somebody was proprietor, or it was vacant land. The actual proprietor is Krishna. But artificially you are claiming that it is my property. Janasya mohoyam aham meti. This is called mine.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,